Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm pretty much going to be doing invitations for this Gucci. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm eating some goddamn donuts. Them Krispy Kreme is so good. Okay. We're gonna be doing invitations for this Gucci bag that we just did. Now, when it comes to invitations are really pretty much up to you or up to your customer. I always ask my customer, what size invitations do you want? Because you can do 2 on a page, you can do 4 on a page. It's really like, it's really up to the customer, y'all. I'm sorry, I went to the wrong thing. These donuts got me just in another world. All right, let's go. Insert. That's, of course, we want a rectangle. I think I'm going to end up putting 4 on a page. So let's see. Let's see how big I gotta make it. Let's copy. Do these fit? Okay, those fit perfect. Let's scoot this one over a little bit. Get it lined up with the margin. Copy. Okay. Okay, so just looking at these, I can make these just a little bit longer in height. So let's go 3.6. Let's see if that is fine. So let's scoot that up on that line. Okay, 3.6 it is, it looks like, you guys. All right, so I'm going to do 3.6 for my invitations. Let's move that up some. I'm sorry, it has to be like just even, or else my brain will flip out. Okay, so we got some 3.6 by, I think it's a weird number. Yeah, let's change that. Let's just even that on to 5. So let's make this one 5 too. We might as well, right? Might as well. Okay. 3.6 by 5. Here we go. These are the invitation size that we're doing. And like I said, we already got the chip bag. So what I'm going to do is just hold control, and I'm just going to click on all of these images and blend all of these images together into one group photo. Yep, that's all I want. Then once I got it, I'm going to save as picture. Gucci Inva pictures, save. Okay, now let's see if we can bring that on over here to our invitations. Instead of, bringing everything in just one at a time, and then you gotta line it all up. That's too much. Look at that. And we got our picture. So this right here, this is going to be our invitation. Now I'm going to crop this down some, because I don't want that. Yeah, wait, I look like I still got some black. That's fine. Okay, so we're working on just one invitation right now. So let's shrink this down. Pretty much what I'm going to do is put this on the inside of this invitation right here. And see, that's too long. I don't like that stretched out look. Okay, that looks about right. Goodness, I'm gonna have to. You know what? How can I fix this an easy way? I like it though. Okay, so pretty much what we need this outside of here. So I'm just gonna copy this, paste it just like that, and I'm just going to crop this on down to where that's all I got, because this is all that I need, honestly. Yes, I'm just gonna stretch it. That's all I'm doing. Okay, there we go. We now have our I'm gonna save this all together. Group it, I mean. Can I group it? I think it's too big. Shrink it down just a little bit. I do want that border showing. The you know, the black outline. Okay, yeah, I like that look a lot better. Now, let me zoom in on this so that you guys can get a closer look. Okay, so this is pretty much what we got so far for the invitation. And I'm gonna group it. Bam. Now we got a whole picture. And this right here is going to be where, you know, you would add in your information, your to, your where. I don't even know what all you put on the invitation, but I'm sure you know. So to, let's say 1, 2, 3, Krispy Kreme Street, because y'all, these donuts is giving me life. But that's not even the concern, okay? Let's just go ahead and add this in here. And we are going to go ahead and go with that darker tone red, because you know I just love it. I think it's a little bit darker than that. Yeah, yep, about right there. I think that's it. Definitely shrink these down some. And let's narrow the words. They look too thick. Put the narrow on and then take the bold off. Bam. Okay, that looks a lot better. I like that a lot better. But yeah, the invitations are very simple. Very, very, very simple. Let's do another insert. Insert RSVP. The little things. Miss Baker. Bam. Okay. Now let's do. Goodness, I just do the same size. All right. Take that bold off. Don't want these letters all huge. Okay. Now for these, I want to also do it in. Come on, shrink down. I think for these, I'm going to go ahead and go black. Yeah, I think I'm going to do black. Yes. But see, I like that. That looks really nice. Let's bring it down some. I mean, I don't know what else to put on here. Yeah, those invitations was pretty simple. What else do we put? Let me copy that, paste it, and just change the words. Change the words. Let's go up here and put time. I don't know. 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Who has a party that long? Not me, but anywho. And then of course you can do your size and all of that, you know, however you want. But that is pretty much it, you guys. Like, invitations are very simple. Like I said, it's all, be sure to ask your customer the size that they want. Then you go ahead and you group it. That way you do not have to repeat all of these squares one by one. That would be like a long drawn out process, and you don't have to do that. Then you just copy it, paste it, and pretty much there you go. Look at that, really simple, quick. Bring that up. But yeah, these invitations are really cute. And as you see, they were very simple to make, and they match the chip bag that we just did. They match it perfectly. And you can also take and use that for anything that you do. If you have the chip bag, it is very easy to make the invitations. You just take whatever is on your bag and copy it and just shrink it down in your invitation, and bam, you got an invitation. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys soon. Bye.